Alright, good morning. It is Saturday again, which means it's time for an adventure. So this one I've been wanting to go to for a while. It's Manukau Heads Lighthouse, if I can. So just a quick look. There's a Google photo, and it's up there. So Auckland's there. I don't know if you can see. So I'm gonna make some lunch, gather all my stuff, and get on the road.
You have arrived.
So I've made it to Hamilton's Gap on the west coast. It's a little bit windy. I'm gonna grab my stuff, go have a walk around. It's on the beach. Alright, just go see what I can find. I have to walk through this water. It's pretty cold. Dedication to the cause. Worth it. I'm actually trying to find a spot where I can take a photo and get a majority of that sand dune in it, and I'm having to walk out to sea, and it's pretty fucking rough. So hopefully I don't get swept away. Nah, I won't, I can swim. But that thing is giant behind me. The best part, there's another one over there. There's another one over there. How fucking cool is this place, man? And I've never been here before. Like, I just decide to go places. I'm spontaneous. But the places I decide to go are normally pretty fucking epic. So I'm gonna take some shots, take some video. I might get the drone out and just put it back in the car. See how things go. I'm gonna get wet feet. Chilly. See if I can get this shot. And now I'm gonna head to Manukau Lighthouse up north a little bit more. Okay, so I made a lighthouse, so I went up there, took some photos, looked around. There's a lot of tourists up there. As you can see, it's up there. All the way up there. It's probably just a little blur, especially on the little GoPro, but I'm going where no one else would go, and that's up to some mouldy carvings. Up a hill. I don't like hills, so this would actually be the perfect place for sunset photos. Unfortunately, gates lock at 5 and sunset's at like 6. And I don't know who to talk to, and I can't find any numbers, so I'm probably going to go back to the other beach, set up there, back to the first beach, Hamilton something or other, whatever it's called. I'm going to put this camera down. I'm going to take my Canon and go set up for some sunset photos. Okay, so I'm sitting down waiting for the sunset, and all of a sudden the sun goes behind the fucking clouds. Not happy. Gonna wait it out anyway. Shit happens. If you ever get a chance to come up these ways, I definitely recommend going to the lighthouse, come to this beach, spending some time around here. The roads are pretty windy and narrow, so just be careful of other drivers. There's a lot of tourists. And yeah, just go out, go have an adventure, have fun, and get lost.